So in my last video, I pointed out that people were trashing Bitcoin, possibly selling their Bitcoin and then buying during the dip. I suggested the possible idea that this is why JP Morgan was trashing Bitcoin. And lo and behold, when the price dropped down to 2,950, JP Morgan bought like over 9,000 shares in an instrument that tracks the price of Bitcoin on a Swedish stock exchange. Okay? So for every Bitcoin they bought, they gained $1,000. That was a very profitable day for JP Morgan. And we can see that JP Morgan, despite that JP Morgan came out and said that they were going to fire employees for trading Bitcoin, their employees are in fact trading Bitcoin. So similarly to when JP Morgan were advising low-income people to invest in houses just before the property crash in 2007, while they were preparing themselves for the property crash in 2007, and they were of course fined $13 billion for giving out fraudulent advice. They just gave out terrible advice to people and then bought the dip. So basically, if you did the opposite of what JP Morgan tells you to do, so during the just before the property crash, you sold your property, then at some point you bought Bitcoin, you would be worth billions by now. Okay? If you owned property 10 years ago and you did the opposite of what JP Morgan told you to do, you would be a billionaire by now. Alright, so about 6-7 years ago, when I was working for a pizza delivery company, I would have been able to afford $100 a month buying Bitcoin. When Bitcoin was 1 cent and 9 cents, I would have tens of millions of dollars right now. Oh, that is the opportunity we're looking at, people. With skill and determination, a low-income person can become a millionaire within a decade. So Bitcoin obviously jumped up when millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin was bought really quickly. It jumped up $800 an hour. Went up, went down, and at the moment the momentum is still going up and the RSI is still bullish. Some indicators saying it's starting to come a bit overbought, but hey, let's see what happens through the rest of the week. The China thing is pretty much finished, and we could be at the start of another bull cycle, but we don't really know. So is today a good day to buy Bitcoin? If you bought Bitcoin in cryptocurrency today, I'd say put in your stop losses in between whatever price you bought it at now and the last support level. So you're talking about, let's say you bought it 4,000 today, you want to put the stop loss somewhere between 4,000 and 3,500. And then and then as the price continues going up, just to keep increasing your stop loss to lock in that profit. So I believe this week will be profitable. However, I will not be trading as I'm going off to play 2 music festivals in a week. Then I'll be back, and then I will be moderating a Bitcoin conference in Malta, and then I'll be going on a spiritual retreat for 6 days. And who knows what the market will be like in a few weeks. So, like and subscribe, share this video. Don't follow mainstream financial advice because they constantly tell people the wrong information, because the central banking system is inherently fraudulent. This is why we have Bitcoin, to solve the double spend problem. You can follow me on Twitter and Facebook for more instant updates, and I update my steemit.com/@responsive more often than I do my YouTube channel. And if any information I give you is useful, please chuck us or send us whatever 10% of your profit donation Bitcoin. Live free and get rich trying.